1 glass of homemade soy milk and you will understand why I keep making it from scratch. After you dry it, store-bought soy milk just won't taste the same. Let's get into it. Our main ingredient is 300 grams of soybeans and 1 tablespoon of split mung beans. The split mung beans are optional. I just add them to make the soy milk a bit creamier. It's still perfectly fine without them. We need to rinse the soybeans a few times to remove any dirt, then soak them for at least 6 hours or overnight. This step helps soften the beans, making them easier to blend and release more protein. It also reduces the raw beany smell and making them easier to digest. I've already soaked the beans for 6 hours. We can see the beans got quite a bit bigger after soaking. After that, drain them in a colander to get rid of the excess water. Then I'll transfer the beans into a pot. And add 3 cups of water. Bring the beans to a boil and stir the beans occasionally so they don't stick to the bottom and burn. And also skim off the foam. This step also helps reduce the raw beany taste and improve the flavor. When the beans come to a boil, turn off the heat. Then add 1.6 liters of water. The amount of water depends on your preference. I like my soy milk rich and creamy, so that amount of water is just right. If you add more water, the soy milk will be lighter and more diluted. You can skim off the foam again, then let the soybeans and water mixture cool down a bit before blending. Then add all the beans and half of the water into the blender for the first blend. And blend the beans until it turns into a thick mixture like this. Then I use a strainer and a cheesecloth. Pour the blended soy mixture in and squeeze out the liquid. I'm dividing it into a few batches so it's easier to handle. Then I'll continue squeezing out the rest of the soy milk mixture. Once all the soy milk has been extracted, then put all the leftover soy pulp back into the blender. Then add the remaining water from the pot. And blend it again for the second time. Then repeat the process to extract the rest of the soy milk. And don't worry if a little soy pulps get in. It actually adds a creamier texture. Next, transfer the collected soy milk to a pot. Bring the soy milk to a boil and stir the soy milk occasionally. Also skim off the foam. Once the soy milk starts boiling, reduce the heat. When it boils, keep an eye on it, because soy milk can boil over very easily. Then let it simmer for about 5 minutes so the soy milk is fully cooked, loses its raw taste, and become easier to digest. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and add 70 grams of sugar. And adding sugar is completely up to you. You can leave out the sugar if you prefer. I don't really like my drink too sweet, so that amount of sugar is perfect for my taste. You can add the sugar gradually and adjust it to your liking. Homemade soy milk always tastes better because it's fresher, creamier, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.